Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Digital Marketpreneur, the channel where we talk about affiliate marketing, make money online, and the mindset. And in this video I'm going to show you a quick strategy that you guys can use to start making money online. And especially when you're a beginner, it's a good way for you guys to at least get your foot in if you want to go this route, and it's called launch jacking. Okay, what this means is there's products coming into the marketplace, especially digital products. They're coming into the marketplace every single day, every single month throughout the year. People are creating softwares and they want to release them, and they need affiliates to promote them for them. Okay, the difference between this strategy and affiliate marketing is that you're promoting as an affiliate products that are already in the marketplace. So you have to find different ways for you to promote this. What launch jacking is, you will create content around a software or a product that is not launched yet. So you have the advantage that you can rank, either you go blogging or YouTube, or you can do both, and you can start using social media to promote these products. So you're ahead of the game, and the competition will be a lot less because you will have a product that is not in the marketplace yet, that a lot of people don't know about it, and you'll have an inside scoop on these products. Then you can go and promote them. And I'm gonna show you where you guys can go get this, and this is one of the websites that you can go and see these products, and it's called muncheye.com. Okay, so you sign up in this website, and as you can see, all launches is showing you that in January 7th there's a product that is called Profile Hustle. It's $13 for the sale, and you get about 100% of the commissions, but they also have upsells. So you gotta check these products. Okay, from my understanding is a lot of the affiliate marketers out there started this way because they wanted to be ahead of the game in certain products. And what they did is they went and got these products, and as you can see right here, this one is gonna be released on January 23rd. This one is gonna be released on January 26th. And you have the big launches. Now with the big launches, you're gonna have a lot of the big names promoting these products. Okay, so you need to go in and kind of like look at the launches on the side, and as you can see right here, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and ClickBank are affiliate programs or websites that are doing the merge with these people so they can promote their products through their affiliate websites. So you can come here, and as you can see right here, on January 11th on Warrior Plus, Dawun Islam is gonna release Eagle emails, so you're getting $8 for it. And let's see what else we got here. On January 14th on JVZoo, Todd Gross is gonna release Beat Snatcher. There's, and let's see if we can click on one of these products. Joshua Samora is releasing some in October 15th. As you can see, there's all the dates right here, and you want to be ahead of the game at least 6 weeks so you can go get all the knowledge of the product. Okay, you will understand what the product, and we're gonna click on I am Wealth Builder Smart Links. Okay, so this is basically the product himself. It's gonna be released at 11 a.m. on Tuesday, 28 January 2020. So this is the JV page. We're gonna click on that, and the affiliate network is gonna be Warrior Plus. Then you listen to the video, and this is basically what it's gonna tell you what this is about. The Easy Pro Funnels is a done for you affiliate marketing funnel. So basically it's gonna be like templates, I believe. Easy Pro Funnels, a web affiliate email marketing SaaS software, and you will watch the videos, you will learn about the product, and as you can see, they have upsells. That's how you gotta make even more money with this type of strategy. Okay, you gotta make sure that they have upsells. There's another one here at 247. Then they have another upsell of 147. So let's say people go into your your blog post or your YouTube video, and they decide to purchase a couple of the upsells. Then you're making commissions on that also. Okay, so we're gonna go a little bit more right here. They got another one, Black Rhino. It's another upsell. Cloud Defender, another upsell from it, a Blog Defender, and the last is WordPress Toolkit. So they have a bunch of upsells right here. And let's see, also affiliates must not use the following promotional methods on any service. So if you get approved for this, you cannot send in spam, using cash rebates, negative words. Please do not misrepresent. So you have to know that for once they have their own rules how you can promote this product. So you need to do your research, see what the products are. Then when you are in the main page, okay, this is the sales page, and this is the JB page, and you are gonna go and reach out to them, and you are gonna ask to have hands on a review. You want to review the product, so you ask them that you want to review the product, and if they can send you any extra information about it, so you guys can create the reviews. So you gotta go to Munchine, you gotta open an account, and then you gotta just sort through the products, and you can create an actual channel about just launching that. And I'm gonna show you one so you guys can see what I'm talking about. You can actually look at what this guy is doing, so you guys can learn how to create channels about promoting this type of products. Okay, so let's see what else they got here. If we go into this one, January 17th, Diego Duarte Productivity Magic, Opt-in Turbo. Okay, that one looks like it's a kind of like a landing page, so we'll see what this is about. So let's click on this page, Opt-in Turbo. Win $4,000. So you can get paid $394 for every customer you send. Okay, so the launch date, it's on Saturday the 18th of January at 11 a.m. and the launch ends on Thursday the 23rd. That's when, you know, they do the competitions for affiliate marketing, and you get your affiliate links if you click on the button right here. Get on the priority list, your affiliate link. What is Opt-in Turbo? So this app lets you customers build a huge list of subscribers. Comes with more than 1,000 customized templates. Okay, includes 2 one-click free traffic methods, a proven software guaranteed to get great results. And this is the video where they show you what the product is about. You guys can go look at it. How will your customer benefit? So you can include this in your review, how you guys are gonna benefit from using this product, and you know, the whole information. Let's see if they have something at the bottom right here. Okay, you can contact them through email, and these are the creators of the software. And you can ask them that you want to review the product, but you want a little bit more information if you don't find enough here. And as you can see, the promo tools, you got email swipes, you got bonuses that you can give away, and the JB document. And you see, as right here, it says 48-hour closing contest, $1,500 to first place. If you make a few sales from days 3 to 4, you get 500 commissions. From 4 to 5, and the 5th day is 500. One thing I want to tell you is there's a reason why I tell you to start building your email list, because you know who are the ones that always win this contest? Are people that have already a huge email list, and they know their customers are gonna be looking for an Opt-in Turbo type of software. All they do is they go and create a couple bonuses for them, and then just blast that email, and people will buy from them because they trust them. So when you're getting started in any business, you got to start with your email list, because this, if you decide to go this route, you can make a lot of money, and you actually create a piece of content, and also you send your email through your email list to your content, and people are gonna buy. So I'm gonna show you one of the products is the Viper Cash Review, and one of the top guys is John Armstrong. And as you can see right here, they're ranking in the #1 page about Viper Cash Review. Okay, and as you can see, there's quite a few reviews right there that were created about a year ago, and they're still ranking #1 on the on YouTube. So this one has over 1,000 views. This one has about 1,000 views. This one over 2,000 views. This one over 220, 264, and you know, the more, this one has over 1,000 views on it. So you go get that information, create a piece of content, like you can do a YouTube video, but also want to show you how you can also create this type of content. And you can see Viper Cash Review, and this one was created September 13, 2018. So it wasn't that long ago, but it's ranking #1. Now the reason why I want to show you this is because I already talked to you about how you guys can go and create websites, and you can create a website that does exactly this strategy about launch jacking. And the interesting about this one web page I found out is that you can see they give you all the information, okay, and it tells you what the actual product is about. But if you go all the way down here, I want you to see this guy right here. He is part of the Wealthy Affiliate community that I belong to, and he teaches this type of things inside that community. So if you guys want to go this route and you want to learn how to create a website that will be ranked as you can see, they know what they're doing. He's ranking #1 on his website, and as you can see right here, if you click on this button, he's, hey, don't leave yet. Copy my exact earning methods. Get my 10-day step-by-step course and watch how I build a site from scratch. You can create this exact website and you can go and start doing launch jacking, and he belongs to the Wealthy Affiliate, as I mentioned. As you can see, on January 10th, 2020, he's gonna be doing a case study building out your website framework. Okay, so there's gonna be a link in the description if you guys are interested in learning from him. As you can see, he has a #1 blog post on Google doing launch jacking. So it's a strategy that can make you a lot of money, and if he's doing it, it's because he's making money with this. He's making affiliate commissions by promoting products that are not yet in the marketplace. And that's the biggest advantage, especially as a beginner. If you want to rank a blog post, if you want to rank a YouTube video, because the competition is very slim to none, and then you are gonna have people promoting this to their email list. And guess what the first thing they're gonna do? They're gonna go, okay, well, he's sending me to his piece of content, but if you're like me, you're not gonna go to the first review and purchase the product. You're actually gonna go and say, I want to see what other people's opinions are about this product in a specific. And then you might look at 2, 3, maybe 4 pieces of content, and you make a decision of where you want to purchase from, because you also have bonuses to give away. And the better you get at this, the more easy it will become for you to do launch jacking, start earning commissions, participating on their contest, and making even extra cash in. So we're gonna go into John Armstrong's reviews. This is his business. He does reviews on a lot of products. He does a lot of launch jacking, and you know, he's not the only one. Once you click on him, you will be able to see that there's many channels doing this. So if you're interested on doing this specific strategy, check Wealthy Affiliate. Like I said, it's gonna be a link on the description so you guys can go take a look. It's a 7, I believe that you will have a 7-day trial, and go check. One of the things that I want to show you here is that there's plenty of training so you guys can create your actual websites from scratch. And also, if you go to live events, there's case studies integrating money elements into a website, mastering keyword and market research. Let's go back to let's see if we can go back all the way to 2018. If we click on this, you see they have available Hot Seat Summer 2018 training, strategies to build trust, getting people to like you. So if you missed or you want to go through all the training, you can go back as far as 2017, I believe, and you can just click on those specific trainings that will help you build better websites. And also you can do a YouTube, because they also do the same thing. Like, Google and YouTube are together. So if you create a piece of content like a blog post, you can actually take the script of that, and if you don't want to appear on the actual video, you can use softwares like Content Samurai, and they will create videos, and then you're ranking not only on YouTube, but you also ranking on Google, and you probably will be able to make even more sales using this strategy. So if you're interested on it, guys, go check this out and check Munch High, subscribe, and start clicking on some of these products. As a beginner, it's gonna be a little difficult because you don't have people don't know you, but you can learn from him how he got started doing launch jacking, or even check Jono Ostrom's channel. There's a couple videos within his channel where he tells you how to go and get approved, to even if you're a complete beginner. When you get started, yeah, your first one might not be very good, your second one either, but you just need to start and you need to get going with this. And the more that you do, the better you will be at. Okay, so if you're interested in doing that, go check it out. And if you want to do affiliate marketing with Pinterest, there's gonna be a video coming up like right now, and check that strategy if this is not the strategy that you want to use. But pick one and go all in this year. Also, I created a video where I'm giving you a quick rundown of how can you go about doing affiliate marketing this whole year, or take a year. It doesn't matter when you're getting started, so you can do affiliate marketing the right way. So you don't want to miss any more strategies. And if you get confused, I can help you out. Hit that button that says subscribe, also the notification button, so you guys know when I release my videos, when I release them. And leave me comments in the comment section if you're interested in this strategy. Maybe I can help you a little bit more answering your questions, or any questions with affiliate marketing. So I will see you guys in the next one, and let's get going. Let's crush 2020.